Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to learn how to calculate the volume of pyramids and cones. The volume of the pyramids equals 1/3 B times H. B represents the area of the base. Here's the base. H is the height of the pyramid, which is the distance from the vertex to the center of the base. Right, so it's going to be right here. If the question asks you to calculate the area of the base or the height of the pyramid, we use this triangle trick. So the area of the base equals 3V divided by H, or H equals 3V divided by B. The volume of the cone is the same thing as the volume of the pyramid. The only thing different right here is because the base is a circle. So we have to use the area of the circle to calculate the area of the base. The area of the circle is going to be pi r squared. The height is right here, the distance from the vertex to the center of the circle. Alright, so let's take a look at the first example right here. Find the volume of each square pyramid. So question say square pyramid, which is the base is the square. So this is 15, this must be 15. Alright, so we have the area of the base equal 15 square. This could be 225. Alright, so the height is going to be right here. Keep in mind, you always shade the base and circle the height. So the base right here. You just calculate the base, it's going to be 225. Alright, so V equal 1/3 B times H. It's going to be 1/3 B equal 225 times H. It's going to be 10. Alright, so it could be 2250 divided by 3. You need to round to the nearest tenth. Alright, so we're going to bring up the calculator right here. 2250 divided by 3. Alright, the answer is 750. Alright, let's move on to the second example. Alright, we need to shade the base and circle the height. The base right here. And the height right here. Alright, so the area of the base is going to be 7 square. It's going to be 49. Volume is going to be base times H divided by 3. So it can be 49 times 6 divided by 3. So it's going to be 6 divided by 3 right here. Simplify. This could be 2. 2 times 49. This could be 98. So this is the answer. Alright, let's move on to the next example. Find the volume of each square pyramid. Given its length height. Round to the nearest whole number. Alright, so because the base is square, so this is 32, this must be 32. B equal 32 square equal 1024. Alright. Next one. Because the slant height is given, this is slant height, you cannot use this one. You must use the height of the pyramid. So you're gonna construct the height of the pyramid. It's gonna be right here. Alright, and construct this one right here. So we have the right triangle right here. Because this is 32 and then this guy 16. The distance from here to here is going to be 16. Alright, so you see that? Now I'm going to print it outside. So it's going to be the right triangle. This one equal 16. This one equal 30. Now we need to calculate this one. Right, so I call the height. This is the height. By Pythagorean theorem, h square equal 30 square minus 16 square. And this can be 30 square, it can be 900 minus 256. And then h square equal 644. Now check square root both sides. H equals square root of 644. I leave the answer right there. I'm going to take square root at the end. Alright, so now volume is going to be equal base times height divided by 3. Base right here, it could be 1024 times h, it could be square root of 644 divided by 3. So it's going to be times square root of 644 divided by 3. So it could be 8,662. 8,662. This is the answer. Alright, this one similar. Alright, I leave it for you. Now number 11. Find the volume of each figure to the nearest whole number. Alright, so this is the cone. Now you need to calculate the area of the base and the height. The base is going to be the circle. The diameter equal 12. Alright, the height equal 8. Right here. Alright, so this is the base. Alright, the base equal pi r square. So it can be pi times r square. Diameter equal 12. Radius must be half of diameter. So it should be 6. So 6 square. And equals 36 pi. Alright, volume equal base times height divided by 3. So it can be 36 pi times 8 divided by 3. 36 divided by 3 is going to be 12. 12 times 8 is going to be 96. So 96 pi. First, the question asks you to round to the nearest whole number. So you just use 96 times pi. It's going to be 1.59, so it will be 302. This is the answer. Alright, number 12 similar to number 11. The radius is 10, the height is 12. Right, I leave it for you. Now let's move on to number 13. Number 13 is the composite figure. We need to break it down. The top is the pyramid. The top is the rectangular pyramid. The bottom is rectangular prism. Okay, so I call V top. Alright, rectangular pyramids, it could be equal base times height divided by 3. Base is the area of this one. So you know that this is 8, this must be 8. This is 4, this must be 4. So this is rectangle. So it should be 8 times 4. It should be 8 times 4. This is the area of the base. Now the height equals 6 right here. Alright, times 6 divided by 3. Alright, 6 divided by 3. This could be 2. This could be 1. 2 times 4. This could be 8. 8 times 8. This could be 64. Now V bottom equal, because the bottom is rectangular prism, so basically it's going to be length times width times height. This is the length, this is the width, and this is the height. Alright, so it can be 8 times 4 times 5. Alright, 8 times 4, it's going to be 32. 32 times 5, it's going to be 160. Now we need to add them up. So it can be 224. This is the answer for this one. Now the last one, number 14. This is a composite figure. We need to break it down. The top is going to be the cone. The bottom is going to be cylinder. Okay. So I need to calculate the V top, the volume of the top figure. Okay. So it's going to be base times height divided by 3. base right here. Alright, so the error of this one is same thing as the error of this one right here. Alright, so we have the radius right here 4. Okay, so it's going to be pi r square. Pi r square r equal 4. So it can be 4 square. Time height, the height right here, set. Remember the top is going to be the cone, so the height, this is the height. This is not this one, okay? So divide by 3. Set 3 cancel out, this is 2. 4 square equals 16. 16 times 2, it could be 32. 32 pi. Now V bottom equal base times height. Right, because this is cylinder. Alright, base, the error of the base is going to be pi r square. Time height, height is 8 right here. So it's going to be 4 square equals 16. 16 times 8. It's going to be 128 pi. Now you need to add this guy up. So V should be equal 32 at 128. It's going to be 160 pi. Right, so you need to round this one to the nearest whole number. So you hit the calculator 160 pi times pi. Equal 503. Alright, and this is the answer. Please check out the playlist Geometry for more videos if you want to improve more geometry skill. And it's a good time to start. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.